Dear students, today we shall learn how to draft an advertisement for the classified column matrimonial. It is written when the parents are seeking for the right match for their son or daughter. Understand with example. See the question number 1. CP Sharma is looking for a boy to get his daughter married. On behalf of him, draft a suitable advertisement. So, what is the question? CP Sharma is looking for a boy to get his daughter married. Means he wants to get his daughter married and he is looking for a suitable match for her. If father is looking for a boy for his daughter, the heading will be groom wanted. And if the parents, the family is looking for a girl for their son, the heading will be bride wanted. Groom for boy, bride for girl. Now see the answer of this question. As usual, you will make a box. Inside the box, in the very first line, in capital letter, you will write groom wanted, GROOM, and wanted. Then from the next line, from the left corner, you will always start alliance invited. All the advertisement of matrimonial column, whether it is groom wanted or bride wanted, you will start alliance invited. Alliance means you can say the companion, the partner. Alliance invited from a tall, dark, handsome Brahmin boy. So you give the description, which kind of boy, which kind of background you want. A tall, dark, handsome and Brahmin boy. Further, good financial condition, business background preferred. This is the description for the boy who you want. Now the description of the girl. For a slim, beautiful, fair, tall girl, well educated, adjustable in combined family, early and decent marriage, interested matchmakers may contact at 9437284621 or email xyz@gmail.com. Understand once again, the beginning is always with the word alliance invited. You will start with the word from and give the description of the boy. After giving the description of the boy, tall, dark, handsome, Brahmin, good financial condition, business background preferred, you start with the word for and give the description of the girl. A slim, beautiful, fair, tall girl, well educated, adjustable in combined family. Then early and decent marriage. This is common line you can use in all advertisement of matrimonial. And the next line is also common. Interested matchmakers may contact at phone number, email ID, address. This is the common line. Now see the question number 2. Rajat is looking for a girl to get his younger brother married. Draft a suitable advertisement. Remember the word limit is 50. Here we want a girl. So the heading will be bride wanted. BRIDE. Wanted. All in capital letters. Again you will start with the word alliance invited. And here first you will give the description of the girl. In the first example you want a groom. So first you give the description of the boy. Here you want a bride. So the description of the girl first. Starting with the word from. Alliance invited from a slim, beautiful, fair, tall, well educated Kshatriya girl. should be adjustable in a large family. For a tall, now you start the description of the boy. For a tall, fair, handsome, Kshatriya boy, serviceman, salary in 6 figures, father retired from army, mother housewife, early and decent marriage, common line. Interested matchmakers may contact at 9434216843 or email at rbs@gmail.com. If any of your doubts, any of your questions, please write in the comment section. Now there are 2 questions for you in home assignment. See the question number 1. Rakesh Sharma is looking for a match for his son. On behalf of him, draft a suitable advertisement giving all necessary details in not more than 50 words. Here Rakesh Sharma is looking for a match for his son. So what will be the heading? He is looking for a match for his son. That means the heading will be bride wanted. See the question number 2. You are looking for a perfect match for your younger sister. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words for matrimonial column of a newspaper. Here you are looking for a perfect match for your younger sister, means you want a groom. So the heading will be groom wanted. Follow the example of 1 and 2 and attempt these 2 questions of home assignment 1 and 2. Still any doubt, any questions? I am waiting for your responses, your doubts. Please write in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.